Becky.
Cynthia Akagi loves living on her 14-acre farm in Meridian, Kansas, and there's plenty to keep her busy and keep her company. With her Nigerian dwarf goats, Sully and Mike, she bought for her grandson.
Hey, Red. Hey, Bucky. Come on, Delbert. Come on, Red.
2 horses and a Shetland pony, also for her grandson.
You're the bestest horse. Don't tell the other 2 that.
And this
is my retirement project.
a 26-foot Telstar trimaran. She's restoring it just for her.
And she's just gonna skim across the water when I get finished.
And when it's time to relax, she takes in the views from her front porch.
This is my favorite spot. And I usually say my prayers out here on my porch and thank him for a day. And I wake up in the morning and thank him for another day.
It's also her favorite place to reflect and read.
D-Day, Saturday, September 1st, Labor Day weekend.
The story she likes to read the most is her own, a reminder of how her life was almost cut short.
I remember camping at the lake, a sudden searing chest pain that came out of nowhere. Bounding out of the camper, I cried for help.
Cynthia's aorta had just dissected. She remembers just flashes of the next 24 hours, an ambulance ride to the closest hospital, then a few seconds on a helicopter.
Then again, nothingness. Waking up in cardiac ICU, asking where I was and what the hell happened. Finding out, thanks to a skilled surgeon in divine providence, I survived an aortic dissection.
Cynthia's father's aorta dissected when he was 80. He survived and lived for another 3 years. When Cynthia's dissection occurred, she was just 59.
My understanding is it can run in families. My dad had weak aortic tissue. My brother has an aneurysm that they're watching. My surgeon, Dr. Kramer, he thought that I had an aneurysm that burst, and that's why I had a total dissection. My other siblings have gotten checked and they don't, so it's only me and my little brother so far.
After what she went through, Cynthia decided to chronicle her recovery.
For anyone reading this, if your recovery is going a bit more slowly, take heart, keep the faith, keep working at it. Believe that your time will come, and it will come.
Cynthia's doctors at the University of Kansas Health System give Cynthia's book to help inspire others who survived aortic dissections. Inspire them to live, laugh, and love, and most of all, enjoy every minute.
Da, da, da!